afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. Do you have the protractor with you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, will you take your protractor?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay, show me your protractor, all of you. Okay. Yes, you have your protractor. Now check your protractor. What is the degree measure of a protractor? How much?
180.
180 degree. 180 degree. Fine. Okay, children. Wait. Okay, let now 25%. I'll wait for 2 more minutes. Okay. And afterwards, I'll start taking class. All came Ananya, Devika, Sian, Ananda Krishnan, Shravana, only 24%. Okay, children. What about the others? Nobody reached.
Ma'am, including you, only 18 participants are there.
But it is showing that it is 26.
Ma'am, 18 only, ma'am. I'm only 18 people. Now 18 people, including you. Ma'am, now 26.
Now 26 all came.
Yes. Yes.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, now 26.
All reached? Yes?
No, ma'am. Usually 32 participants.
Okay, I'll call. Listen, I'll call the names. I don't know why the children are not reached. Maybe because of some connectivity errors. Okay, now I'll start the class. Okay, children. So you have a protractor with you. So what is the degree measure of a protractor? Just check. 180 degree. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now, and what is a zero angle? What is the degree measure of a zero angle?
0 degree.
0 degree. And what about the acute angle?
Ma'am, greater than 0 and less than 90 degree.
Yes, some are telling the wrong answers. Greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. Okay, children. Now, just look at this circle. Listen, children. See, children. Just look at this circle. I have a circle with me. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, I have a circle. What is the degree measure of a full circle?
360 degree.
60 degree. Okay. Degree measure of a full circle is 360 degree. And if I fold like this, can you see the shape of a protractor?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is half of 360 degree.
180 degree.
180 degree. Okay, children. Now, 360 degree is known as a complete angle. One more name we will tell, that it completed one full revolution. One full revolution. If suppose our clock's minute hand is moving, if it completes 360 degree, it is known as one full revolution. Revolution means it is turning around. One full revolution it has completed. Okay. So complete angles, another name is, can you tell? Complete angle, full revolution.
Revolution.
So full revolution and complete angle is same. How much it is?
360 degrees.
360 degree. So 360 degree means full revolution. Okay, children, wait. Let me see the waiting list. Okay. So fun complete revolution, complete angle or full revolution. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So one full revolution means 360 degree and same is, it is same as the complete angle. Now if I fold this, it is 180
180
degree.
degree.
Another
Half
name of
of a
180 degree is
Straight angle.
straight angle. And it is half of the revolution.
Revolution.
Okay, children? Half of the revolution.
Half of the revolution.
Revolution. So this is the shape of a protractor. 180 degree. And it is half of the revolution. Okay? Half of the revolution. And it is another name of it is straight angle. If I fold this once more, what is the degree measure of this?
90 degree.
90 degree. 90 degrees, another name is
Right angle.
right angle. And we will tell that 1/4 of a revolution, quarter of a revolution.
Quarter of a revolution.
Means full circles 1/4. This is half, 1/2. When I fold once again, it will become 1/4 of a revolution. Clear? 1/4 of a revolution. So what is the another name of 1/4 of a revolution?
Right angle.
Right angle. What is the other name of a half of a revolution? What is another name of half of a revolution? Straight angle. Okay, children? Of a revolution. Did you understand? What is the degree measure of a full revolution?
360 degree.
What is another name of the full revolution?
Complete angle.
Complete angle. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Will you take your notes? We will not all. One more minute. And if I fold this once again, what is the shape of it? Which angle it is?
Ma'am, acute
Acute
angle.
Angle. And it is less than 90 degree.
90 degree.
90
Less than 90 degree. Can you see it properly now?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is an acute angle is less than 90 degree. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what about this? What is the shape of this one? See, children? One more minute. 1 minute. What is this?
Obtuse angle.
Angle. So all this we can see when I folded this. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Then one obtuse angle and one acute angle. One obtuse angle and one acute angle. Wait, that I will teach you later. So this much you understood? Shall I show it once again? One more minute. Let me check whether anyone is in the waiting room. Anyone is there in the waiting room? Can you see? Can you see if the board has a problem? I cannot see the children.
Ma'am, we cannot see.
Ma'am, only the host.
Ma'am, only the host can see.
Okay, some wait. Okay. Some words the children can see the those who are the students' name, those who are in the waiting room, but teachers couldn't see. Okay, today's the board has a problem. Almost all the problem, all the board. Now I don't know whether they reached. Altina reached. Altina was in the waiting room.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Abhyuday, Abhinav Sajan, all are joining now. Okay, children. Okay, I will explain it once again. So, I have a full circle. Hmm? I have a full circle with me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I have a full circle. And this full circle is 360 degree. Degree measure of a full circle is 360 degree. 360 degree. And it is known as full revolution.
Revolution.
Full revolution. One full revolution. And its another name is complete angle. If I fold it once, one fold, correct, in the diameter. Okay. So diameter through diameter, if I fold it once, it is 180 degree.
180 degree.
And it is half when diameter divides a circle into two semicircles, right? We have studied this.
Yes.
So it is like a protractor shape and it is 180 degree. 180 degrees, another name is half of a revolution. And another, we will call it by
Straight angle.
straight angle. Again, if I fold like this, it is L-shape angle. L-shape. Right angle. What is the degree measure of a right
90
angle? 90 degree. And it is known as quarter of a revolution or 1/4 of a revolution. Okay, children? And if I fold it once again, we will get an acute angle. Acute angle is less than right angle. Okay. So we will write all this in a table so that it is easy for you to study. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so take your notes and we will denote this. Okay.
Ma'am, are you starting to write today's portion?
Yes. Okay, first one is, can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
One full revolution. One full revolution. It has gone somewhere. 1 minute. 1 minute. One full revolution. One full revolution. And complete angle. Complete angle.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
360 degree. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One full revolution, complete angle and 360 degree. Children, I'll draw like this. Second one. Half of a revolution. Half of a revolution. Straight angle. Degree measure 180 degree. Third one, 1/4 of a revolution. Of a revolution. Right angle 90 degree. This is enough. Remaining everything. Okay, this is enough. Remaining everything when we take, I'll give the question, that time you will understand.
I can finish.
Okay. Okay, now I'll give the question. All of you finished?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Anyone is there who doesn't finish it? Now shall I raise the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, shall I raise the board now?
Ma'am.
Okay, Anna, you reached now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anna, shall I continue with the topic?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can. Ma'am, I
Okay,
just.
somebody please send the notes to Sri Rudra and Anna. Please. Anyone, please send the notes. Okay, children, I'll write the next one. Okay, children. Next one is first question. Match the following. Match the following. Okay, children, you have to write the question. Later we will match. Okay? Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then. First one is straight angle. Straight angle. Less than 1/4 of a revolution. Sorry. Write fast. Okay, children, read carefully and don't shout the answers now. We will match one by one. Okay?
Ma'am, you only wrote 5 questions.
Yes, more than 5 the options are there. Otherwise, we will find out the last one which is remaining, the balance will be the answer, right? Isn't it? It is easy to find the last one if it is options are same. If the options are same numbers, it is same correct number of options, it is easy for us to find. Last one will be the balance, isn't it? So there are 6 options, 5 questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Find out the answer in between and we will discuss about that. Okay, children? Did you got any clue, idea of the answers? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children? Yes. Yes. Who is that making loud noises in the class? Okay, children, did you finish writing?
Yes.
Shall we discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Anyone is there who did not finish it?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Tell me.
No, ma'am.
Okay, shall we discuss the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. First question is straight angle. Can you find the option there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will ask the one person. Shravana, which is the option for straight angle?
Straight angle C.
Half of a revolution. Is it the correct answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So half of a revolution. Okay? Half of a revolution is the answer. Is it correct? Anybody has got any other answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
And second one is a right angle. Right angle. Okay. Did you get the answer? Ashishuni?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashishuni, will you tell the answer?
Right.
Right angle.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Right angle.
Is? Right angle is? Ashishuni, tell the answer.
Ma'am, between 1/4 and 1/2.
No, dear. What is right angle? How many folds I made to get the answer? Listen. One fold, half of a revolution. Then this is right angle.
1/4 of a revolution.
Revolution, right. 1/4 of a revolution. So it is 1/4 of a revolution. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then, Emilio, will you tell the acute angles answer? Acute angles answer. Yes, Emil?
Ma'am, between 1/4 and 1/2 of a revolution.
Acute angle. Look at here. What is this angle, Emil? What
Yes,
is this
ma'am.
angle?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Emil, what is this angle?
Right angle.
And when I folded, did you get an acute angle?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this then? Is it between 1/4 and 1/2?
Ma'am, less than 1/4 of a revolution.
Less than 1/4 of a revolution. So acute angle is option B, option A, right? Option A, less than 1/4 of a revolution. Less than 1/4 of a revolution. What do you mean by 1/4 of a revolution? 1/4 of a revolution, 90 degree.
90 degree.
Right angle.
Okay. Now obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Which option? Altina?
Between 1/4 and
1/2 of a revolution. So obtuse angle lies between 90 and obtuse angle lies between 90 and 180. So 1/4 of a revolution and half of a revolution, right? So between 1/4 of a revolution and half of a revolution, and it is option E. Okay, children. Now what about reflex angle?
One complete.
One complete revolution is 360 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Reflex angle means?
360 degree.
No. Less than 360
Then
and
360 and more than
more than 180. So
Half
which
of a
option?
revolution. More than half of a revolution.
More than half of a revolution. So option B. Reflex angle is option B. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Reflex angle is option B.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. So you match or you leave some space. Under this question, you leave some space, and will you write the correct option towards each question? Listen, children. Listen. When you match, no, the question will become dirty because when you draw the lines like this. So do one thing, you leave some space under this question after matching. And will you write one question and the correct option towards each one? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How will you write? Straight angle. Half of a revolution, like that. Will you write? Yes or no?
Yes,
Correct answer. Okay. Okay, children. Now, I'll give some more question based on this. Yes? Yes? Okay, children. Shall I give?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, or no, ma'am? Shall I give some more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I erase the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, do you have the protractor with you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And children,
Yes, ma'am.
a protractor has two scales. That means from left to right and from right to left. Can you see? Left side 0 and right side 0. Take your protractor and see.
Yes, ma'am.
Left side 1 0 is there, right side 1 0 is there.
ma'am, inner scale and outer scale.
Inner scale and outer scale. Okay. Okay, children. Then, how will you draw an acute angle? Will you draw an acute angle? I'll give one measurement. Okay, children. Will you draw? I'll write the question. 1 minute. 1 minute. I'll write the question now. Yes. Yes, children.
I don't have the protractor.
I told you to bring the protractor, right?
Ma'am, I am in my uncle's house.
No problem. Later you draw. Draw the following angles. Draw the following angles. Okay, children, I'll give one angle for you to write, to draw. And first one is 30 degree. 30 degree is an acute angle or obtuse angle? Acute. It is an acute angle. Now look at carefully. Yes, children, look at carefully. You have to draw a straight line like this in your note. Okay? Okay, children? Did you understand? Draw a straight line. And look at the board now. Look at the board now. Listen, children. Look at the board. Excuse me. Can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Can you see a protractor in my board?
Yes.
Can you see a protractor, all of you?
Yes. Yes.
Children, look at here. See, first of all, you have to draw a straight line. Okay. And on the top of the line,
Hear you, ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On the top of the line, you keep your protractor. One side. Okay. Can you see a sun-like shape in your protractor?
Yes, ma'am.
So in that cross, listen children, there is a cross like this. Can you see that board? There is a cross shape. Can you see a cross shape?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like this. I will draw it. Like this, one cross shape. Like, see that? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you draw a straight line, keep your protractor and protractors. I will draw it. Listen. Listen. Protractors. This line, can you see? Protractors, this cross and the line.
Yes, ma'am.
This cross, this part you have to keep in your line like this. Like this. Keep your protractor like this. Did you see?
Yes,
Okay, children. Now, which part? We have drawn one straight line, right? Which part it lies? In your line, left side or right side? Keep the protractor here.
Right side.
Listen, your protractors, left side or right side?
Right side. Right side.
I told you to keep the protractor this side, right?
Side.
Okay.
Left side.
I told you to keep your protractor like this, the same shape. Can you see the board, the same shape I have drawn?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you keep the protractor the same way where I kept?
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at carefully. The straight line you have drawn, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That is protractor's left side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you take the zero of left side 0, where the line stands, where your straight line lies, there can you see 1 0?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will show you how to draw 30 degrees. See, this is a very important thing that you have to keep a protractor and take the line, count the inner scale or outer scale, the line where it stands. Okay, children? From where the line stands, like this. Okay, children? See? One more minute. Can you see a straight line? Now I have drawn one straight line here. Can you see a straight line?
Yes, ma'am.
And I am taking the protractor and keeping like you kept. I'll show it now. This is the protractor, and see, here I kept, right? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
The same way. Now you see that green line where it comes
Ma'am, on the baseline.
on the baseline. Green line is on the baseline, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So your protractor left side the green line is, or your straight line is. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the 0 there?
Yes,
Left
ma'am.
side on the baseline, left side on the baseline.
Yes, ma'am.
From there, can you count 0, 10, 20, 30?
60.
Can you see?
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
see the protractor now? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the board properly? How I am moving the protractor? 1, 10, 20, 30. Is it clear now, everyone?
Yes.
See, children, if I take this side 30, see the angle? If I take this side 30, see, can you see a degree measure moving there inside?
Yes, ma'am.
75, 88, 90, 100. See, when I take this side 30, protractors right side 30, can you see the degree measure?
Yes, ma'am.
1?
50.
150, see 150. So see the difference. You have to take the measure where your straight line lies. There you have to start counting from 0 onwards. The left side is your straight line. So there 0, from there, that 0 you have to start counting. Okay? Now did you get your 30-degree angle?
Yes,
Look at the board, how much it is?
30 degree.
30 degree. Okay, children?
30 degree. Yes.
Now can you see the board and the 30-degree measure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did all of you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is a 30-degree measure, and you give the name, any name, A, B, C. Okay. And how will you write? Angle ABC equal to 30 degree. Did you understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now I will show how we are keeping the right side, protractor's right side. Okay, it has gone somewhere.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, children. Wait. It has gone somewhere.
Degree.
Okay, I'll show it again.
Ma'am, it gone.
Oh, it has gone. Wait. See, now we are drawing the same 30 degree if you are keeping the protractor in the left side.
Left side.
Okay, children. Now, I have drawn one straight line. You also draw one straight line. Fast.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Now take your protractor. I will also take my protractor. Okay, children. Now see, instead of keeping here, I'll keep here. 1 minute. Make this one short one. Okay. Did you take your protractor?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So keep your protractor and keep in the this
Right.
this side. Okay, children. Baseline. Can you see? Baseline.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, children. Okay. Did you see that baseline?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now, from your protractor, which side the line lies now? Right side, right?
Yes, ma'am.
From the right side, you start counting. Right side 0.
1, 2, 3,
10, 20, 30.
30, 30.
Did you see that? 10, 20,
Yes, ma'am.
30.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children.
Plan successful.
1 minute. Okay, children. So, when you took the protractor, you start counting 10, 20 and 30. And this line, now this is 30 degree. So, you have to count. When you keep the protractor, you have to see where your original line, straight line lies. If it is left side, you start the left 0. Or if it is right side, you start counting from the right 0. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you get 30 degree from in the right side also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it an acute angle or obtuse angle?
Acute angle.
Acute angle. If you make a mistake in counting inner scale or outer scale, you will get an obtuse angle. So that is a mistake. It is an acute angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shall I leave now? It is time to wind up. One more class is there, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we'll draw all the other angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, thank you.
Bye. Thank you.